Does the direction of your connecting rod matters? The connecting rod direction, is it matter? The answer is yes. You must understand the direction of the connecting rod. Look, for example, if you are to install this connecting rod in your engine. If you install this connecting rod like this, yes, it will enter. If you turn it to this side too, and you install it by this side, it will still enter. But actually, there is direction for this connecting rod. The best way to know the direction of the connecting rod is you need to know before you remove the connecting rod. You need to check the direction before you remove the connecting rod from the engine, because the direction matters a lot. The direction of the conrod, if the conrod is together with the piston, the direction of the conrod matter, because it will tell you the facing of your piston. The facing of your piston, this groove here on top of your piston must face your injection pump. But if you mistakenly fix the conrod like this, then it is the other side that will face the injectors. Sorry, it will the injectors, not injection pump, injectors. And when that side face injector, it means that it will not work very well. The engine will not work very well. So if you have to install like this, then it must be like this because of the injectors. So that means the direction of your connecting rod matters a lot, and the best way is that you need to notice when you are removing the connecting rod. If you are not familiar with the engine and you are removing the connecting rod, you need to check the direction of the connecting rod. In most cases, when you get the direction wrongly, you will notice that this side might be touching the engine block. The engine may even refuse to rotate. So the direction matters a lot, because that is how the engine is being made. While installing the connecting rod, you need to check the direction. Is it like this or it is like this? You need to know. So don't think that you can just install it anyhow you like. And when you are replacing the connecting rod from the piston, now the piston is not there, only the connecting rod. You need to check the direction of the connecting rod before you place it. Let us assume that I want to replace this connecting rod now. I need to check this groove, this recess. Now, where does it face? It's facing injector. Then I check my connecting rod, which side, where does this U-shape face? That U-shape is facing this recess. Then I must know that when replacing this thing, I must follow suit. At the end of me replacing the connecting rod, it must not be like this. If it be like this, the engine may not rotate, one, and when it is rotating and the injectors are injecting to the wrong side of the piston, then the engine may not properly work. It has happened to me before, and when it happened, I noticed that the engine is not I have to use fuel, which is starting fluid, to start the engine before the engine starts, as a result of me turning the conrod at the wrong direction. So that is where I'll stop today. I have a lot of videos about the connecting rod that you need to watch. For example, when is it normal to reuse the connecting rod bolt? Watch the next video. That answer is in the description. Go and click that video and watch it. See you in that video.